will also have an interview with Dr. Bedell. We will also have Alexa as our monitor this month. Alexa is looking for the best audience for this assembly. Be on your best behavior. This trophy will be presented to the class that has the best behavior throughout the assembly. Alexa will also be presenting the Lunchroom Leadership Award. We will also be having a kindergarten performance. Let's begin with Jasmine telling us about our school-wide math and reading data. Give Jasmine a round of applause.
NPR's data tells us our test scores for reading and math every month. The NPR score goal for Trailwoods is 341.6 points for reading and 357.7 points for math by May. I will read the scores for each grade level. Reading first, then math. When I say clap your hands, we will clap to celebrate the higher PI points for November. When the grade level did not get a higher score, I will say repeat after me. You will repeat down the 60 after I say it. Let's get started. Here are the scores. Kindergarten has 392 points for reading. There were 168 more points this month. Clap your hands for kindergarten. They had 126 points in math. They went up 6 more points this month. Clap your hands for First grade has 240 points in reading. They went up 16 more points this month. Clap your hands for first grade. They have 322 points in math. They went up 40 more points this month. Clap your hands for second grade. Second grade has 280 points in reading. They went up 30 more points this month. Clap your hands for second grade. They have 322 points in math. They went up 40 more points this month. Clap your hands for second grade. Third grade has 271 points in reading. They went up 60 more points this month. They had 327 points in math. They went up 9 more points this month. Fourth grade has 217 points in reading. They went up 16 more points this month. They had 271 points in math. They went up 7 more points this month. Fifth grade has 229 points in reading. They went down 7 points this month. Repeat after me. Learn, succeed. They have 304 points in math. They went up 15 more points this month. Sixth grade has 200 points in reading. They went up 64 more points this month. They have 289 points in math. They went down 2 points in math this month. Repeat after me. Great job, everyone. Let's go on our next habit.
Thank you, Jasmine, for encouraging everyone. Up next, we will have Sarah giving a speech about the 7 habits. Please give her a round of applause.
Hello, my name is Sarah, and today I will be talking about the importance of the 7 habits. The 7 habits not only help you at school, but they help you outside of school too. Every single one, from being proactive to sharpening the saw, is very important. Let's start with being proactive. What does it mean to be proactive? If you're proactive, you don't just sit there and wait for a reaction. What you do is make a move and act immediately. Going on to the second habit, which is begin with the end in mind. Making a plan and understanding the result is essentially what this habit is all about. Phone or homework, TV or book. Using our third habit, first things first, we should always know what our priorities are and when we should act on them. Solutions to problems are usually only beneficial to one person. We should always aim for a solution that is a win-win and benefits both sides of the conflict. Listening plays a major role in our next habit. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Before expecting to be listened to, you should always be attentive when other people are talking. It is always better to work together than alone. By always putting team first, you are succeeding at synergy. Sharpening the saw not only means doing it at school, but applying it in your life. Balancing your health, education, and extra activities is the exact meaning of this habit. I really hope you benefit from this speech. I know that I have benefited every day from these 7 habits ever since I came to September to this amazing school. Remember to practice the 7 habits every day and always be a leader.
Thank you, Sarah, for giving a speech about the 7 habits. Now we will show you a slideshow about our monthly leaders. Watch and enjoy. Miss Wendell has stepped up into a new role this year and taken on many new and additional responsibilities. She not only helps the NU fellow teachers, but all staff in their growth as professionals. She is a leader in the school, in the educational community. Thanks for all you do, Miss Wendell. Miss Boone chose Emily. Her favorite Miss Boone chose Emily. Her favorite food is birthday cake. Her favorite habit is habit 7, checking the sun. Her favorite subject at school is writing. When she goes there, she wants to be Mrs. Boone, and her favorite food is pink. Miss Flower chose Edwin. Edwin's favorite food is donuts, and his favorite habit is habit 1, be proactive.
Edwin's favorite subject in school is math, and when he grows up, he wants to be a teacher, and his favorite color is red.
Miss Cornelia chose Pedro. Pedro's favorite food is tacos. His favorite habit is habit 1, be proactive. His favorite subject in school is math. When he grows up, he wants to be a police officer, and his favorite color is blue.
Miss Olson chose Maya. Maya's favorite food is pizza. Her favorite habit is habit 7, sharpen the saw. Maya's favorite subject in school is reading, and when she grows up, she wants to be a teacher, and her favorite color is pink.
Miss Taylor chose Jamie. Jamie's favorite food is pizza. His favorite habit is habit 1, be proactive. His favorite subject in school is math. When he grows up, he wants to be in honor services, and his favorite color is blue.
Miss Blackers chose Brandon. Brandon's favorite food is pizza, and his favorite habit is habit 6, synergize. Brandon's favorite subject in school is science. When he grows up, he wants to be a construction worker, and his favorite color is blue.
Miss Hamilton chose Esther. Esther's favorite food is tacos. Her favorite habit is habit 2, begin with the end in mind. Her favorite subject in school is math, art, and PE. When she grows up, she wants to be a doctor, and her favorite color is blue.
Miss Reed chose Walter. Walter's favorite food is pizza. His favorite habit is habit 7, sharpen the saw. His favorite subject in school is math. When he grows up, he wants to be a police officer, and his favorite color is blue.
Miss Graham chose Alexa. Alexa's favorite food is pizza. Her favorite habit is habit 3, put first things first. Her favorite subject in school is writing. When she grows up, she wants to be a doctor, and her favorite color is pink.
Miss Marta chose Maria. Maria's favorite food is spaghetti. Her favorite habit is habit 1, be proactive. Her favorite subject in school is math. When she grows up, she wants to be an art teacher, and her favorite color is teal.
Miss Clinton chose Jamisha. Jamisha's favorite food is pizza. Her favorite habit is habit 1, be proactive. Her favorite subject in school is math. When she grows up, she wants to be a doctor, and her favorite color is red.
L5 chose Francisco. Francisco's favorite food is pizza. His favorite habit is habit 5. Seek first to understand, then be understood. His favorite subject in school is math. When he grows up, he wants to be a soccer player, and his favorite color is red.
Miss Gordon chose Oscar. Oscar's favorite food is pizza. His favorite habit is habit 7, sharpen the saw. His favorite subject in school is reading. When he grows up, he wants to be a doctor, a teacher, and his favorite color is blue. Noah's favorite habit is habit 7, sharpen the saw. His favorite subject in school is math. When he grows up, he wants to be a soccer player, and his favorite color is red. His favorite is Jennifer. Her favorite food is pizza. Her favorite habits have one. You go after. Her favorite subject in school is math. When she grows up, she wants to be a teacher, and her favorite color is pink. Miss Taylor chose Jason. Jason's favorite food is pizza. His favorite habit is habit 6, synergize. His favorite subject in school is social studies. When he grows up, he wants to be a police officer, and his favorite color is red. Thank you, Valeria and Ariana. Congratulations to our leaders of the month. Now let's welcome Adriana from 4th grade to share our attendance data for the month. Good morning, Trailwoods Blue Jays. Today I will be talking about attendance wigs. If your grade level reaches their goal for October, your teachers will be wearing a wig all day today. If the whole school reaches their 97% goal, Ms. Harrison, Ms. Starr, and the support teachers will be wearing a wig all day. Kindergarten's goal was 90%. They got 95%. Good job. Ms. Boone is grabbing people on the way. First grade's goal was 9. First grade's goal was 95%. They got 96%. Good job. Ms. Maria and Ms. Olsen, please come on your way. Second grade's goal was 95.5%. They got 96%. Good job, Ms. Taylor and Ms. Olsen. Third grade's goal was 97%. They got 97%. Good job, Ms. Fourth grade's goal was 85%. They got 96%. Good job, Ms. Johnson. Fifth grade's goal was 93%. They got 96%. Good job, Sixth grade goal was 97%. They got 97.2%. Fifth grade also had the best attendance in the school in October. Please come get your trophy.
Charlie, would you say?
Our school attendance goal was 97%. If we reach this goal, Ms. Harrison, Ms. Starr, and the support teachers will be wearing a wig all day. We got 93%. Keep trying. If you had perfect attendance in October, please stand up. Please sit down. I say, Claire, would you say? Thank you, Adriana. Now let's welcome Anthony and Natalia conducting this month's interview with Dr. Bedell. Dr. Mark T. Bedell joined Kansas City Public Schools as superintendent on July 1st, 2016. Bedell previously served as the assistant superintendent of Baltimore County Public Schools in Maryland. Bedell has presented at several national and state law level conferences on best practices in education and completed his doctoral dissertation at Nova Southeastern University on school culture, climate, and dropout prevention for ethnic minority students for low economic strata. As superintendent, he hopes to focus on student-centered learning, culturally and relevant curriculum, and social and emotional supports for students. Bedell has a wife and 3 children and lives in Kansas City. All 3 of his children are students in Kansas City Public Schools. Please show them your appreciation and support by paying attention throughout the interview. Please give them a round of applause.
You guys put me on. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Natalia.
Hi, my name is Anthony.
And my name is Dr. Bedell. Good morning.
Where do your children go to school?
My children are attending this school district. I have a 5-year-old. She's attending Border Star. And then I have a 13-year-old and 14-year-old. Both of those students are over at Lincoln. One is in the 8th grade and one is in the 9th grade. And all 3 of my kids are having a wonderful, wonderful experience in this school system. My favorite habit, what I really love to do is play basketball, but I'm starting to get a little bit too old for that. So back pains and all of those types of things, but I still love to play basketball, so I will say that that's still one of my favorite habits at this point.
What do you do to sharpen the saw?
So I like to wrestle, so I'll wrestle with my 5-year-old, and sometimes we slap box with the older kids, father and children activities. We like to have fun, but I do that. I like to play a lot with my kids, but I also love fantasy football, and I love to watch football. And then most importantly, when I have time, I do like to read. I like to read on some of the current educational events that are taking place around the country and trying to figure out what I can do to make sure that we're doing a great job of educating all of you.
How was your life when you were little?
So that's a very interesting question. My life was not easy at all. I am the oldest out of 8 kids in my family, and I am the only one out of the 8 to make it past the 9th grade. So all the rest of my siblings dropped out of school. I lived in a whole bunch of different homes growing up. I went to a lot of different elementary schools. Life wasn't easy. But what I will tell you is the one thing that I did, regardless of how hard life was that I went to school every day. And I went to school and I learned, I paid attention, I tried not to disrespect my friends, I tried not to disrespect my teachers, and I just fought through school. And what I will tell you is, regardless of how tough things may be at home, if you come to school and do what you need to do, you're preparing yourself to be able to live a wonderful life and to take advantage of all of the opportunities that exist in this country. But it starts with you all taking advantage of school right now, doing good, and believing that you are intelligent. Don't let anybody tell you that you are not smart and that you are not intelligent. Because if you start to believe that, then you have this defeated mindset. And no matter what people try to give to you or feed you, you will not do well if you already have a defeated mindset. Every single one of you are brilliant. And you need to remember that and understand that. And regardless of how tough things are, you can rise to the top. I am a prime example of that.
How have you been resilient?
So I've been resilient through understanding a lot about failure. Right? I tell people that just because you fail at something doesn't mean that it's the end of the road. And what you want to be able to do is learn from those failures. Resiliency comes when you just don't give up. You continue to fight. If you're struggling learning math, learning division, learning subtraction, you have to continue to practice. You have to continue to work hard. And when you do those types of things, that gives you the resiliency characteristics that you need to succeed in this world. Because everybody who's in here, there's a lot of grown-ups in here, every single one of us, we failed at something. We all didn't win that race. All of us didn't necessarily get the scores that we wanted on ACT or SAT. Some of us didn't get in the type of job that we want. But it didn't stop us from continuing to pursue those goals. So understand this about failure. Fail to me is the first attempt in learning. And that it's nothing wrong with failing as long as you learn from it and you don't allow for that to dictate your final outcome.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Dr. Bedell. We hope you enjoy your day at Trailwoods.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Dr. Bedell, for telling us all of the students about how leadership has helped you. Now we will have Priscilla telling us about the habits of the month. Please give her a round of applause. Each month, support staff will choose one exceptional student who has exhibited the habit of the month, both in and out of class. This month's habit of the month is habit 3, put first things first, work and food. Let's choose Suzette. Suzette is a great student who always uses the habits. She is a great leader and role model for other students in her classroom and in our school. Suzette, you are amazing. Coach G chose Max as his habit leader of the month. Max demonstrated focus and hard work on what he needs to do in order to get better. He always puts what is most important first. You can always count on Max to get the job done. Thank you, Max, for always being a leader both in and out of class. Miss Garner chose Edgar from Miss Singleton's class as her leader of the month. Edgar works hard to make sure what he has accomplished all that is needed before counting on to another project, even if it's free drop time. Edgar's favorite habit is also begin with the end and then thank you, Edgar. Mr. Trimble chose Gabriel as his habit leader of the month. Gabriel always puts first things first. We can always count on Gabriel to do the right thing at the perfect time. Gabriel has a great smile and an even greater personality. He is an amazing leader both in and out of the classroom. Way to go, Gabriel. Ms. Wendell has stepped up for Miss Kent this month and has chosen Valentina as her leader of the month. Valentina always works hard and has a take charge spirit. She always puts first things first and inspires others to be leaders. She is very encouraging to her peers and always sets a great example for others. Thank you, Valentina, for always being awesome. Miss Kay chose Jose as her habit leader of the month. Jose was chosen because his classmates kept thanking him over and over for his kindness and respect during a counseling lesson last month. Jose is always polite and very respectful. He does absolutely everything he can to help his classmates be successful. Way to go, Jose. We are proud of you. Now we will have Alexa present the Lunchroom Leadership Awards and the Class Leadership Awards for this month. Today's month Lunchroom Award goes to Mrs. Freed's class. Come on up and get your trophy. The class with the best assembly behavior is Mr. Vance Clark. Thank you, Alexa. Now we will have kindergarten performance. Please give them a round of applause. Thank you for coming, staff, students, and parents. I am glad to have been your MC this morning. Thank you to everyone for participating in our assembly. Please look at your teachers for direction. Have a nice day, Trailwoods.